So automated tool. So database
Automated
will
tool.
just
Okay.
will, will
Any one
collect
of the
this.
automated tool.
Yes.
Declaring two variables here, connection comma record set. Connection comma record set. For creating the instance, set connection equal to create object adodb.connection. For creating the instance for the database. For creating the instance for the database. Set record set equal to create object adodb.record set. For creating the instance for the table. For creating the instance for the table. Okay, now let's go.
These are .NET commands, right?
No, no, I'm talking generally.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
na using .NET only. Okay, na commands and all I will tell you later. Just I am going to give some coding related to the VB.NET. Okay, na? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, then what we have to do? For creating the, we need to access the database, no? For the accessing the database, see, database may be SQL Server, or database may be MS Access, or database may be Oracle. Suppose if the database is available in the Excel sheet, or if the Access, MS Access, or if the database is available in the SQL Server, or if the database is available in the Oracle, we need to specify the provider name. What about the provider name for the SQL Server or MS Access?
Sorry, sir.
Provider name for MS Access, or provider name for SQL, or provider name for Oracle.
So
So
have
I
to
don't.
provide the path.
No, it's not a path. Provider name is different. It's like a syntax from the Microsoft Corporation or Sun Microsoft. Like it's related to the, suppose if the database is available in the MS Access, they are having that provider name like a syntax. Suppose if the database is available in the SQL, they will get one provider name. It's related to the SQL.
Yes, sir. Like it's like a driver host with local host number.
Connection dot suppose if the database is available in the access, I will tell you how to, just we need to change the provider name. Suppose if you don't know means the developers will tell you what about the provider name for the SQL. Don't worry about that one. Connection dot, why we are going to provider, why are going to specify the provider name means it's mandatory to open the database. If you wanted to select the database, you need to specify the provider name. Connection dot provider equal to Microsoft dot jet dot OLEDB dot 4.0. This is the provider name for the MS Access. Microsoft, suppose if it is in SQL Server, I will tell you. Whenever we are working with automated tool, I will tell you. See, coding is very, very easy if you understand. If you mock up means it's very, very difficult. We can able to play with coding. Just to try to understand, don't mark up. Suppose if any syntaxes means no problem, you can able to mark up. Otherwise, don't mark up everything. How I am going to write? Observe it. Easily you can able to write the coding. See, I am declaring two variables here, connection comma record set. Connection is used to connect in the database. Record set is used to select the table from the database. For connecting the database or selecting the table from the database, first of all, we need to specify the provider name. Provider name for the database, using provider name, we need to create the instance set method with the help of set method. Set connection equal to, is a variable name, create object adodb.connection. This is the instance for creating the instance for the connection. Set record set equal to create object adodb.record set. Now we need to specify the provider name for accessing the database. What about the provider name? Provider name connection.o provider equal to Microsoft.jet.OLEDB.4.0. Microsoft.jet.OLEDB.4.0. See, you can able to remember this one. See, I'll tell you how to remember. Mr. Balaji, he is there now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Running on a road at morning at 4 o'clock with singing a song. With singing a song. Running on the road at morning at 4 o'clock with singing a song. Ole Ole. What about the song name in Hindi? Ole Ole. Can you please sing that one?
I don't know that songs.
Is the song is available or not?
I don't know, sir.
What about Pune guys, Hindi guys?
And tell me.
Available, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you please sing a
Yes, sir.
song?
There's a song.
OA available, sir. Not only.
Then sing a song.
Anshul sing. Come on, Anshul.
I'm
I
sure.
don't remember the lyrics. No, I
Hey,
don't
you were
remember
only
the
asking the
lyrics.
doubt
Sure.
about for that, you know. Because of you, only I am giving the explanation about that one. Sing a song now.
Anshul singer, sir.
He's a
No,
singer.
sir,
Huh?
it's like-
Yes, sir. He sings nice.
Okay, Anshus. How you are going to, what about the song name from the movie? With
The
Hole
Hole
Bole.
It's from Saif Ali Khan's movie.
Okay, then sing a song just for 1 or 2 lines only.
So it's like जब भी कोई लड़की देखो मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले बोले. That's the whole thing.
Oh, I'm not perfect in Hindi. Only please sing a song, that's all.
So that was the song only.
Oh, then sing a song.
You missed
Don't
it.
read the song.
Any
Don't
song.
read the song.
No, with the tune.
Yes, with the tune. If you want
See,
any
you'll
background,
come
means
from
Balaji will take care of that. You want any background?
So Balaji can sing also, sir.
I think he don't know about that one. I think.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, I don't know.
Aishwarya,
Only
I
way
think
I-
you were from Pune, no? I think you know about that one. What about the song? Yeah?
Sing with feeling and
Mm-hmm.
come on.
The same what Anshul saying.
Same?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can sing a song, yeah. And what about Mageshwar Pandey?
Samir sir, he knows the whole lyrics, sir. He
Oh,
can sing.
Samir,
Maheshwar
tell me,
also.
please sing a song only for 1 or 2 lines only. Naseem,
The lyrics like that, sir, it's the lyric are that जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले ओले. It is from the sir दीवानी जाने मन movie.
okay, then sing a song, yeah, like a, if you want any background means they will take care of that.
Sing, bro. Anyone sing?
Naseem, what happened, Naseem? What about your camera, Naseem?
Sir, it got stuck. I don't know what happened.
Okay, sing a song, man. You
Sir,
looks
I'm
like
singing.
very
He's a
smart
singer.
today.
No, sir.
Then sing a song.
Shit,
Had breakfast?
It's like the same song I was singing like just 2 lines. So it goes जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले ओले. That's the whole song.
Yeah, great, sir.
Like the
Great,
whole-
yeah. Great answer.
Thank you.
That one only, no? It's simple, no?
Yes sir. That's the whole song.
That's only Ole. Okay. He is singing a song. Who is singing a song? Who is singing a song? Balaji. Balaji is running on the road and morning at 4 o'clock with singing a song, Ole Ole. Okay. I called him. Why Balaji? Why you are singing a song at 4 o'clock? Why you are running the road? I called him and I am asking, sir, I got a job in the Microsoft Corporation. I got job in the Microsoft Corporation. Going by jet. Okay, great Balaji. What about your package? He said 4.0 package. 4 lakhs per annum. Singing a song with Vole Vole. Got the job in Microsoft Corporation. Going by jet. Got it?
Yes, sir.
How is that? You can able to remember now, no? Microsoft dot jet dot OLEDB dot 4.0. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
What about this one? This is the provider name for the MS Access. I will tell you provider name for the access. You need to provide, give the username password for the MS Access. Where we have to create, I will tell you. Whenever we are working with the databases, I will tell you. We are going to access the database. Okay. Provider name is okay. Now you can able to access. That means you can able to open the database. Database is available in the server. We need to access the database from the server. Okay. Using connection.open method. Specify the path of the database. They will tell you. They will give you the path of the database. Okay, na? Now you can able to open the database. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Now, see path of the database, server path, they will tell you. Just copy and paste. That's all. If it is in databases means local system means we need to specify the path of the database in your local system. Usually we are accessing from the server the database path, they will give you the database path. Okay. Now we can able to open under the database, you can able to find out multiple tables. Multiple tables we can able to find out. Okay. This one is related to the available flights table. This table name is for available flights. Okay. And we need to select the table name. How we are going to select the table name? Record set.open. Why we are going to specify the record set here? It's related to the table. Connection related to the database. Record set.open. Specify the path of the database. So the path of the table. Select star from table name. Select star from table name. Where you can able to find out the table under the database connection. That's all. Declare after that generate the basic script related to the automation testing. Okay, we not it's related to the automated tool. See, it's related to this application script we need to write. Up to here, okay, accessing the database. I am declaring two variables here. Connection comma record set. Set connection equal to create object adodb.connection for creating the instance for the database. For selecting the table, set record set equal to create object adodb.record set for creating the instance for the table name. And specify the provider name. If the database is available in the MS Access, we need to specify the provider name related to the MS Access. If the database is available in the SQL server, then specify the provider name for the SQL. If the database is available in the Oracle, specify the provider name for the Oracle. Now specify the select the database using open method connection.open specify space path of the database. Select the table from the database. How we are going to select the table from the database? rs.open select start from table name. Okay. These values and all, after that we are going to write the script related to the automation testing. Using some methods and all, we are going to write the script related to the, it's a generic for access in the database. Through automated tool. Okay, access the database. We can able to find out the values under the result window. We can able to find out some values here. These values or whatever we are getting, these values are expected values or actual values. Expected values or actual values.
Actual values will be the values which will be shown on the application.
Oh, no. See, these values and all coming from the database. These values and all coming from the database. These values and all actual values or expected values.
Expected values.
Expected values. No, Aishwarya, expected
whatever we
values.
are accessing from the database are expected, like given by the client.
Expected values. See, now whatever we are capturing the result, that is related to the actual value. See, we are going to capture the result now.
Yes.
We are
To
going to
compare.
capture the result. Where we are going to capture the result? We can able to capture the result in flat file, or we can able to capture the result in Excel file, or you can able to capture under the database also. Those values and all actual value. Those values and all actual value. We need to compare expected values with the actual values. Is it okay, Anshush?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Through
Got it.
scripting, through automated tool. In the previous scenario, through manually we are going to check without using any one of the automated tool. Here with using any one of the automated tool, it may be Selenium, or it may be UFT, or it may be RFT. We are going to use different scripting languages, that's all. Suppose if it is a RFT, we are going to use one language related to the JavaScript. Suppose if it is UFT, VB script we are going to use. Or if it is a Selenium, Java and JavaScript we are going to use. Like that we are going to use any one of the automated tool. It's like a software application, we are going to write the script. Comparing actual value with the expected value, how we are going to compare here?
Comparing the tables from the data.
No, through scripting only, no?
Yes, sir. Through scripting, we can just put the actual values into, like, insert them into
Okay.
a table and then compare the values of both the tables.
No,
Through
don't use
scripting.
the database. We are not testing the database testing. We are accessing the tables, database and all through automated tool. We need to write the script under the here only. If condition.
Yes, sir. We are not like creating a table in the database. For the actual values, we are creating like we are taking the inputs and constantly checking them from the database. We can do that through coding.
Okay, that one if condition where we are going to write the scripting.
Yes, sir.
If condition only.
If condition
If we
only. Yes,
if
the loop.
expected value equal to actual value. If expected value equal to actual value, what happen? Result pass. Otherwise, result fail. If expected value equal to actual value, result pass. For that, we are going to capture the result. We need to capture the result. Expected values and all we need to capture. For that, we are going to use different method. Get RO property, get count method, different kind of methods. Around 50 to 100 methods will be there. We are going to use all the methods. If you wanted to capture the dynamic value, what kind of method we are going to use? If you wanted to capture the content from the table, what kind content from the list box, what kind of method we are going to use? These are all methods we are going to implement under the automation testing tool. Now we can able to pass multiple sets of data. We can able to capture the result. We can able to capture the result and to export into an external file. It may be flat file, or it may be database, or it may be SQL server. Everything. Suppose if the data is available in the Excel file, how you are going to do the values, how you are going to do the parameterization. See, he is asking about related to database only. Okay, after that we are going to discuss if the database, if the test data may be flat file, or test data may be Excel file, or test data may be databases. If you want to test manually with, we need to write the test cases, no need to write automated scripting and all. Using any one of the automated tool means we have to use, we need to write the script under the automated tool itself. Even database queries also we are going to write under the automated tool itself. Got it, Anshu, now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
These values and all we can able to export. See, in Excel, in a manual means we need to enter all the values manually in the Excel sheet. But if you are using any one of the automated tool, we can able to export the result. If 1000 values or 20,000 values also. For importing the values and exporting the values, only with 10 seconds, 10 minutes we can able to do the, we can able to capture the result and all. Suppose if it is manual means, it will take 1 month time. For every time we need to capture we need to pass manually, but that means the automation testing is not a replacement of manual testing. So just a continuation from the manual testing. Suppose, for example, There is a problem with manual testing. We are not going to use any one of the automated tool. It is only with the manual testing is going on. There is a manual testing problem related to the functionality, available functionality. We are going to reject the application. We can't go for automation testing. If you rectified the defect, then only you can able to use automation testing. That's why once we need to execute all the test cases, 99% of the test cases should be passed. Then only you can able to go for automation testing in our project. Okay na? Got it, Anshul? Is it okay? How
Yes,
you are going
yes.
to access the database? Don't confuse. It
Yes.
may be, see, it may be problem. These are all values. Even fly from values and all accessing from the database and all. Even available flights also we are accessing from the database. Whenever we are entering all the values, the order number will be generated. You can able to find out that order number under the order number field. It's a dynamic value. Suppose if you are passing 1000 number of values, you can able to capture 1000 order numbers. All the order numbers should be dynamically. You can able to capture with the help of automated tool only with 10 minutes. But manually means it will take much time. Even 1 week or 1 month also based on your test data. We are going to check expected value with the actual value. If expected value equal to actual value, result pass. Otherwise, result fail. Suppose if it is any mathematical application. Suppose if it is a small application related to the calculator application, entering value 1, value 2, click on add button, the result should be displayed as per the addition. Suppose if you wanted to pass multiple sets of data, 1000 number of values, we are going to enter one by one, we are going to check. If you are using any one of the automated tool, we can able to capture the result comparing expected value with the actual value under the script itself, under the automated script itself. That value we are going to capture and exporting it to an external file. See, in a company, the data may be available in the flat file, or data may be available in the Excel file, or data may be available in the databases. If the database is available in the database, you can able to access the database in this way. For every method, for everything, you can able to find out minimum 50 methods. Suppose if you wanted to access the flat files, notepad through scripting, there are some methods. If you wanted to access the database, there are some methods. If you wanted to access the database for Excel file, there are some methods. Those methods and all we are going to discuss under the automated tool. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, and any doubts, Anush?
No,
What
sir.
about
Thank you,
others?
sir.
What about others?
No, sir.